Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Shorts filters. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first thing would be just to open your YouTube mobile app. And now you will need just to click on the plus sign so you can start creating your shorts. Now I'm just going to add this image of the face so we can start uh, showing or using the filters. For this one, I'm just going to use uh, done, or I'm just going to adjust, and basically you can have it adjust however you like. I'm just going to click on done now. So basically from here, we will see uh, the effects and filters part. I'm just going to click this one, and from here, I'm just going to add filters. So as you can see, you can start choosing any filter that you would like. And basically the filters are just going to start uh, changing your color, saturation, and everything concerning the video settings on for your YouTube Shorts. So as you can see, you can start choosing any filter that you would like, and it will be applied to the short. So if you want to confirm, all you will need to do is just click on this one, and basically you will be able to save this filter. So let's just wait for a while. And basically you click on done and then you can click on next so you can have this filter that's applied on your video. Also, you can discard the edits and from there you can start edits adding the filters from here so you can have a continuous uh, recording, etc. And basically you have many options and you can also start adding text, etc. So basically this is how you can use filters in YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.